That was. Oh, goodness. I am. Feels cool.
You cool on me too.
What's beeping?
Coffee maker.
Oh.
Yes, that every day.
Does it? Do I?
Yes.
This car feels cool.
Yes.
Like I feel cool in this car.
That's how I like the bucket seats and shit.
Yeah. They make a if you look in Finnegan's blasphemy car,
Yeah.
the Kirky CT uses are a low profile back, but
Okay.
but it's a race seat though, and I like those. I was thinking maybe something like that eventually if I ever put that kind of seat in here. But for now, I'd like to get these reupholstered. It's better, but it's not clear.
Okay.
July 20th of 1990 was the last time this was inspected.
Yeah.
It says it right there. Yeah, or June 20th of 1990. I can't believe the permanent marker is still visible on that sticker. We'll see how many times I stall this car out. You ready? There it is. Spinning out. Is that tires rubbing?
Yeah.
That sounds great.
You got two fatties in here.
Let's have a look see at that. Guys, again, we were bottoming out in the back, so we had to jack it up, move the shackle location up, because I don't have any shocks. We don't need shocks, right? Ready for this?
Yeah.
Starts good.
Yeah.
It's a little bit of scrape.
That was probably just because it hit.
That brakes. We're doing it, Dad. We're doing it. Ooh, this thing feels squirrely.
Yeah, it does.
There's third. I don't know if I want to get much faster than that on these tires.
No.
We got brakes.
Okay.
Mainly that one, but we do have both brakes.
That's fourth. There you go.
Doesn't appear to be smoking or anything, other than burning a little bit of stuff off.
Hear that?
Huh?
Every once in a while, it's like.
It's a lot better than it ever was.
Yes. That's weird. Clutch?
Yeah. That's some clutch noise. Oh, it's the fucking exhaust leak.
Okay.
It's right there.
Makes it sound like a fucking lifter ticking.
Yeah. That's it. Well, I mean, that's a bad hole in it. It's like that big. That's exactly what that is. I like it. Needs some lug nuts on the wheels, some shocks. We're doing 40.
It's pretty smooth.
35-ish.
With no shocks, that's pretty smooth.
Yeah.
Steering's a little loose, huh?
Steering's a lot loose. Like any Ford I've ever owned. Woo! She's a wanderer.
I'm the wonder.
That's what I was thinking. Crank it up on this Krakow.
Go round and round. No, don't go round and round.
A little tick to it. Oil
That's
pressure
not
drop
good.
out.
Yeah. Yeah, we're done.
Yeah, motor's locking up, I bet.
Oh, that's fun for a
One trip. I really thought it'd last a little longer than one trip. Yeah, not oiling properly.
Yeah. Well, you want to try to send it or no? You want to try to do a little burnout?
Yeah, duh. Might have to push it back in the yard. But
Yeah. Damn, that sucks. Yeah, it's done.
yeah.
First gear.
That was. That was a negative. Negative on the burnout, and then the throttle's sticking or something. Let's turn you guys around. See what's going on. The throttle stuck open on it or something after that. Oh, we lost our return spring. That's crazy. That must have, it's probably out there. That, when I slammed it down,
Yeah?
the return spring
Popped off?
yeah. Okay. It should be long enough to have done what it needs to do. Let's relash the valves. All right, we are going to try and adjust the valves again. We're holding steady at like 40.
Okay.
I don't know what we should expect out of it or not. All right, long time no see, it feels like. All right, so we took this thing around the block. It started knocking, ticking, and we started tearing into it, as you guys saw. We found that the lifter was bad again. Bad cam bearings. We tore into the motor pretty good. Motor's pretty much not salvageable, or not worth salvaging at this point. It's a 289. It's going to cost me ridiculous amounts of money at the machine shop. So that's how we ended up at this step. We are at everybody's favorite LS swap, 5.3 liter. We're going twin turbo on the car. I figured if I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do this thing pretty cool. We wanted to go Coyote swap, but I just couldn't afford it. So now we're going LS swap, even though I can't afford that. So, but make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe. Might not be your flavor, but we got all kinds of stuff coming up. We'll see you next time.